Bright enough to light up your road. Advanced superior quality 24PCS LED chips emits bright yellow light. Flood beam lets you see the left and right clearly at night. Come with wiring harness. Universal wiring harness kit is up to 12 feet with 2 leads for connecting 2 LED lights under 180W, easy to install. Adjustable mounting bracket. This LED light bar are equipped with adjustable mounting brackets offering convenience to adjust position flexibly when needed. Updating reflector cup. 5-inch 72W yellow LED light bar upgrades their reflector cup. The broad reflective plate allows multi-angle refraction, flood beam ideal for ambient illumination, which makes the light beam angle can be 180 degree, allowing you to see the front and side more clearly at dark night. Package included: 2x72W LED work lights, 1x12 feet wiring harness kit. Specification. Item name: 5-inch 72W LED light bar LED power, 72W PC, 24x3W high-intensity LED color, yellow lumen, 10,800 input voltage, 9 to 30 volts DC, fits 12 volts, 24 volts vehicles, working lifespan, over 30,000 hours working temperature, -40 to 85 degrees Celsius material, aluminum profile, high-quality LED chips, PC lens waterproof rate, IP67, waterproof, dustproof, quakeproof and anti-corrosive. Package included: 2x72W LED work lights, 1x12 feet wiring harness kit, 1x2-year card, necessary mounting brackets is included. Top reviews from the United States. Super bright. Very impressed with the brightness of these, and they have not had any issues in the 2 months I've had them. They've been through about 15 automatic car washes too and haven't been affected by the water at all. I'd recommend them for sure. I didn't use the mounting screws and brackets, but instead they are securely tightly with large black zip ties fixated to the plastic grill I have on front.